Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to insert infographic diagram into Google Slides. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop I just open Chrome browser and I just go to Google Slides. So I just want to create a new presentation. So I just click here for the blank presentation over here. So I just want to create a different types of infographics. What is infographics? Information plus graphics is calculated into infographics. I just want to delete this title slides, so I just want to insert infographics method of slides. What I have to do here, so on top you will find a menu bar called insert menu. Just hit the button insert menu. There will be a diagram over here. So there are a grid, hierarchy, timeline, process, relationship, everything will be there. So you can just click view all and you can identify all kind of infographics methods. So you can choose and have access. For example, I just want to have some relationships related things, means so the manager two things, everything will be infographical method, so that you can easily identify and have access. For example, I just want to create a new slides over here. So I just want to create a more and more options for the timeline. There are plenty of timelines will be available. You can choose and have access with the beautiful infographics. Whatever you want you can add. For example, you want to add more dates over here. So totally 1 2 3 4 is there. So date is 4, you want to make as 6 or 5 or 7, anything you can give according to your need, according to your presentation you can access. For example, I just want to make a specific color over here, so I can make a specific color over here. So as you see here, so you can insert a different types of a presentation with infographics with a different types of model using this option. So I just want to delete this option. Let's go from the diagram. So I just want to make a hierarchy method. So there are plenty of hierarchy with different types of colors over here. So I can choose the color and I can choose the levels over here. So I can insert a decent presentation, so I can type whatever I want. For example, I just have some principle to different types of hierarchy method I can use for my school or colleges. So this is a simple and easiest step. You can create a different types of hierarchy method, different types of infographic method, different types of styles we can insert using Google Slide, which is free and which is make a color and which is make a graphical method using insert menu. So try this option to create a different types of information process and infographics process, and you can use this one and make your audience to be attract. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.